In this module, we will be seeing some string manipulations in Python. We know that a string is a sequence of characters. Let us see the common built-in functions such as len, upper and lower. Consider a word apple. We find the length using len of word. So we get the output as 5. To convert the word to uppercase, we give word dot upper of. So we get apple in uppercase. Likewise, word dot lower is given for lowercase. Now, suppose you want to fetch the last character from apple, we use its negative index to count backwards from the end. So here, since E is the last letter, it corresponds to index -1 given by word within square bracket -1 to get E, and L is at index -2 given by word within square bracket -2, and we get L. Now let's write a Python code to reverse the word apple. Since we are trying to reverse a string, we initialize string index as -1. As we will be traversing from the last letter E until we reach A, we make use of a while loop. So how do you think we can do this? We start at index -1 and move to -2, -3, -4 and finally -5, which is nothing but -1 times the length of the word. This is given as while followed by the condition index greater than or equal to within bracket -1 times length of word colon. Inside the while, first the character E at index -1 is assigned to the variable letter and we print it with a space for printing the reverse string in a single line using end equal to within quotes space. We decrement index to move one position backward and so on till the index is -5. So we get the output as reverse string ELPPA. String slicing is an interesting way of manipulation that retrieves a segment of a string. For instance, to print the first 3 letters of apple, we give word within square bracket :3. Here, we have omitted the first index before the colon as the slicing starts at the beginning of the string. So, we get the answer as APP. A typical example of slicing is when one has to retrieve the name portion from an email ID of the user. Let's try to write a program and implement this. Assign a variable email with an email ID, say abc@gmail.com. Initialize the index to 0. Now use a for loop given by for ch in email colon, which means for each iteration the next character in the email is assigned to ch till we reach the end of the string. Now give index is equal to index plus 1. This keeps track of the index of the character. Now if ch double equal to within apostrophe at, we need to extract the segment of the string preceding at, and hence we give print email within square bracket colon index -1. As you observe, the start index is not given as the segment is printed from the beginning of the string. you get the name part, which is ABC, as the output. Now you may try retrieving gmail.com without the username from the email address using this concept of string slicing.